Hi, my name is Elias Garcia, and this is a shortcomings and wish list video for Snackability 3.0. The product owner of this application is Dr. Cristina Palacios, and our instructor is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So I'd like to start with the shortcomings that we had throughout this semester. Provided here are a couple of user stories that we were not able to complete for Snackability 3.0, but we definitely think that the next team can work on for Snackability 4.0. So first, we could start with Snack 2021, which is building an application for iOS and Android. So at the showcase, we had people ask us if the application was available through the iOS App Store or Android Play Store, and currently that is not the case. Right now, to access this application, you will have to log in to an Expo account and download the Expo app. And then from there, you're able to actually access the application. So I think that's something definitely that could be worked on for the next semester. Next, we have Snackability 62, which is admin accounts. Currently, we only have user accounts available, so the users are able to consume snacks and search for snacks and the like. However, what would be nice would be to have an admin account where the administrators can see analytical data about the users, like how frequently they use the app or what snacks are they are consuming. So that's definitely something that the next team can work on. That might be a little bit lengthier because it might involve creating a complete different separate front end for the administrators. Next, we have Snack 63, which is notifications for admins. This works very similar to the notification system that we have for users, where we notify a user to consume a snack at a specific time. However, the difference here would be that this notification will let the admins know if a user has not used the app for a certain amount of days. So if we have a user that hasn't used the application in a week or maybe less, let's say 3 5 days, we'll send a push notification to the admins only, letting them know that a specific user hasn't logged into an account. After this, we have Snack 66, which is a dashboard screen. This is just to provide a more abstract user-specific data. Right now, we only have a history page as the home page. So you'll see the leveling, the previous snacks consumed, in the chart, and the snacks listed, as well as the achievements. But that seems to be more like of a history of the snacks that the user has consumed. What we would like to do is have a dashboard screen where the user can see more of their own personal data. Perhaps they can show them like what snacks they've consumed the most, or what ingredients they've consumed the most or the least, and something more abstract so that the user can see what's going on with the snacks that they're consuming. And then, of course, if they'd like to, they could go to the history page, which is the current homepage right now, to see more details about what snacks have been consumed. Lastly, we have Snack 107, which is timers and other warnings. This is more of a bug issue that we currently have for this iteration of Snackability. We couldn't get around to it because we focus a lot more on adding features and fixing features that the user would ultimately end up seeing. But this is something mostly for developers that are going to be working in the next iteration of Snackability. Currently, when you're running in development mode, you will see several warnings in terms of timers and function calls. So it would be great for the next team to go ahead and dive into those warnings and see if we could get rid of them. Currently, it is not causing any problem in the application itself, but it could perhaps affect with the some performance aspect of the application. Next, I'd like to talk about a wish list that we would like to have for the next iteration of Snackability. These items shown right here were not added as user stories for this version of the application, but we definitely think could be helpful for the next version of the application. First, I'd like to start with further UI improvements. This involves improvements in the overall UI of the application. We made a lot of modifications from version 2.0, but we definitely like to see more improvement for version 4.0. Similarly, we added a lot of the gamification components to the application as well, but we didn't have enough time to uh, work on the UI for these components. I think that's definitely something that the next team can work on. Next, we also have the customized notification time. Currently, all the users receive a push notification at 2 p.m. However, we'd like to give the user the option to select what time would be best for them to receive a push notification. Perhaps they would prefer it at nighttime or earlier in the morning. So we just want to give the user a little bit more power as to, when they can receive a notification to remind them to consume a snack. For the next item, we have search optimization. So currently, right now, when a user is searching for a snack, if they don't type the product name in the correct order, they might not get a result. What we would like for them to see is that if they type a snack, and regardless of the order that they typed it in, we would like to give them the snack that they intended to search for. So, for example, let's say instead of Frito Lay's, they search for Lay's Frito. Well, we still want to give them a Frito Lay's snack if that's what they intended to search for. I think that will help users have an easier time looking up their snacks in the event that they cannot use the barcode scanner. Lastly, we also have local discounts on snacks. So what we would like to do is find a way to see if we could partner up with grocery stores or restaurants where they can receive some sort of discount through the use of the application. I think that's something that will tremendously help with user engagement for using the application. Of course, this is something that uh, like some other items that we couldn't complete, it might be something that will take a long time to work on, but it's definitely something that we we could have had in this version of the application that we couldn't get around to. Okay, and to conclude, this is the shortcomings and wish list video for Snackability 3.0. Of course, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me at the email provided there at the link. Thank you very much.